What is going on, everybody? It's Haze Carlson coming back at you over at Floyd's RV in beautiful Norman, Oklahoma. And today we are going to be talking about something really cool. We don't get a whole lot of these in. I have two of them right now. We are talking about the Dutchman Aspen Trail 3600 QBDS. Guys, this thing is super cool, very unique for a travel trailer. We do have the sliding door right there. We also have two bedrooms, so we have one queen bed here in the front and another separate bedroom over in the rear. Guys, this thing is huge. It has a bunch of really cool stuff that I'm really excited to tell you guys about. So if you're new over here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and then drop me a comment down below, man. I love to get some feedback from all of my subscribers and everybody out there. But guys, you know how we do it. Let's get into it. First things first, like I said, huge sliding glass doors. Guys, this thing is absolutely great. This is by far definitely something that you can go and park at your slip at the lake and keep it there. Build a porch around this thing, man. This is just beautiful. Residential quality, humongous awning, guys. This awning goes through the entire length of this thing. You got a beautiful LED strip up at the top, two marine grade speakers, your exhaust for your furnace, your freshwater connection, two GFCI outlets, nice big window, two doors again, two axles over on this bad boy. Let's go over to the pass-through before we go inside, guys. Power stabilizer jacks. You got four of these bad boys, so we can stabilize this sucker. And then we have got a big amount of storage here in the pass-through, guys. You know how I feel about the magnet doors, but man, this thing is impeccable. Definitely love this thing. Now over here in the front, you'll notice that we have the electronic tongue jack that's gonna bring this thing up and down so you don't have to wear out your arm. Two 20-pound propane tanks in this bad boy. We are prepped for solar, so you can, if you have a portable solar charger, you can plug this guy up, keeping your batteries nice and juiced up. Let's talk about some weights. Unloaded vehicle weight in this bad boy, we're looking at 8210, and your GVWR in this thing is at 11,176. So you can put a bunch of stuff, almost 3,000 pounds inside of this trailer before we hit that max rating. Here is our 50 amp cord, again with the magnet doors that I love so much. Moving right along, folks, we got this one big slide for our main living area, and we also have the smaller slide over here for that second bedroom, guys. Really cool stuff. City water connection here, and then our tank flush valve, and then of course we have the outdoor shower that I forgot to unlock rather. But we've got our outdoor shower here with our nozzle, and all of that stuff just sucks right back up into it. Awesome design. Moving along, guys, like I said, our big queen bed slide here, and then underneath this is going to be our sewer port. So we're going to have our gray as well as our black tank. Over here we're also going to have a second gray tank, so we do have two gray tanks and one black tank on this thing. Now here is our 50 amp service connection. So guys, this is a 50 amp service unit. And then here is our cable inlet, so we can connect up to cable or satellite and get that going throughout the entire coach. Spare tire with the cover that they're nice enough to give us. And guys, we are prepped for a backup camera by Furrion, and that is definitely something I can help you guys out with. Over on this side, we'll have our hot water heater, our second switch for those stabilizer jacks. Let's go inside. I know you guys are really excited about this, and I am so excited to show it to you. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what some of your favorite features are about this thing. But we're going inside, man. Inside the sliding glass. Beautiful. Beautiful. Guys, so with this sliding glass door, they do have this little piece of wood here that we can put in and lock this thing so it's not going to be able to slide back. And then we have the nice shades here and we can move over, and then we can turn this guy to make them turn whichever way that you want. Really neat stuff. Definitely love that. And then guys, this is our control center. So we'll have our awning up and down, our battery level, fresh water, black 1, excuse me, just our regular black, gray 1 and gray 2. Then we're gonna have our gas water heater, our water pump, our exterior lights and interior lights, and then we have our controls for the 2 slides. Awesome stuff, guys. Let's talk about this kitchen. Bunch of counter space. And guys, this is solid surface counter space. This thing has been winterized. All of my units are winterized until we take them home and you tell us otherwise. This is a farm style sink since we have that aluminum here on the front. Not aluminum, stainless steel, excuse me. Gooseneck faucet, really nice stuff. Bunch of storage underneath here, folks. And then in these drawers, we are going to have even more storage. Nice slidey, full extension, steel ball bearing drawers. Beautiful Greystone 3-burner stove and range. So whenever we are not cooking, we can set down this glass to give us that much more counter space, or we can flip this guy back up, creating a backsplash for our 3 burners. And guys, this does have a legitimate oven. Beautiful. Here's our furnace down below, and then above that we'll have our Greystone light and exhaust fan, and then our Greystone microwave. Now guys, this is a kicker right here. This is the one time I have seen a residential fridge inside of an Aspen Trail. This is the Insignia electric refrigerator. And guys, this thing is huge. Huge, I tell you. Plenty of space in here. This is just as big, if not bigger, than the refrigerator I have at my house. Huge, big time fridge with big time storage up above. Moving along, guys, you do have a nice little corner pantry here, giving you plenty more space to put things. And then you'll have your breaker box and fuse panel. And then if we take a step back, right here is going to be our bathroom. And then whenever we go inside, we'll have our foot flush commode, our nice corner shower here with that frosted glass. Really, really like that. And then we can take off this little rubber piece here, showing us the inside of that shower. Beautiful skylight up above. A nice mirror with me in the back. Plenty of space to store all your medicines and goodies. Nice clicky lights. 3-prong GFCI outlets. Our bathroom sink. And then more storage underneath that sink. And then we do have an entrance over here to that first bedroom. We also have one over on this other side, guys. So here's that second door that leads us outside, right? So we have our second door, and then we have the master. So in here, we have our beautiful queen bed in that bed slide with a little bit of storage up above. I really, really love this floor plan, guys, especially if you like to go camping with other couples, or if you have some bigger kids that don't want the bunks anymore. We've outgrown that. We've got the master suite to go along with it. So beautiful stuff. Huge mirror. Look at this, guys. This mirror is enormous. 2 panes on this mirror. So we got this side, and then we have that side there. And then back behind this beautiful mirror, we have got closet space on closet space on closet space, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Plenty of room. Now we do have this hole here that's going to show us our water heater. We do have the cover that goes over that guy as well. And then over on the other side, one thing that I do like about these folding mirrors is that you have this little latch here that we have to get undone in order to move that. So no issues on this guy slamming back and forth in transportation whenever you guys are taking it to your next camping trip. Now, in the bottom of this closet, we've got a huge, big time storage space. Speaking of storage, also, you guys know the drill, underneath the bed, we have got even more storage space. So we have our slide mechanisms back there, so we probably want to keep that clear. But this part right here, we've got plenty of space to put all of your stuff. And then here are the rollers that bed is going to roll on whenever we bring in that slide. Now we'll have this huge dresser, plenty of space, full extension. I really do like this color too, guys. This kind of gray, dark blue, beautiful stuff. Plenty of space to put all of your things. Plenty of space up top. And guys, we are mounted for a TV right there. And then we've got our 3-prong outlets and our coax outlets there too. So we've got our door for the bathroom and then our door for that other hallway. So we'll go back out this hallway and talk about the living room again. Now over here, you'll notice that this is where our thermostat is going to be, guys. We do have a Dometic AC on here, so we can do fan, cool, or our furnace, GFCI outlets, as well as LP and carbon monoxide detectors. I do like that they give you the freestanding table and chairs here instead of just the dinettes, so no issues as far as space or anything like that. And look at these windows, guys. You got plenty of windows, especially with that huge sliding door. Beautiful. Now over on this side, we've got the hybrid Jackknife couch. And I say it's a hybrid because of this right there. So we've got this handle, which will turn it into a bed mode. And then if we put this guy back and then yank on this, then we've got a place to put your feet whenever you are out and reclined. Really cool stuff. Now over on this side, you guys will notice that there is this little hole down here. This is going to give you plenty of space to store your blankets, your miscellaneous pillows, that kind of thing. So you're going to have a crazy amount of storage just underneath the Jackknife couch too. And then we have our infotainment wall, guys. So with this, we are back for a TV. We've got the outlets to plug it in. We have the satellite and antenna connection to connect to that. And then we've got our infotainment system, guys. So right here, this is where we're going to control the music. Whether we wanted to play inside or outside or both, we can do aux cord, USB, HDMI. We can plug in your headphones, Bluetooth, AM, FM, you name it, this guy can do it. And then we have the humongous electric furnace. Now, if you guys haven't used one of these, this thing is state of the art, and it will do a fantastic job of heating up this coach too. So this thing does change a few different colors. You can also change the intensity and brightness of those colors as well as the temperature. So you can set the mood and stay nice and toasty. Awesome. And then we have our other queen suite, guys. Beautiful windows on both sides. Now we do have the screen door that is for that sliding door that we do have to install. Does not come installed, so that is something that we're going to do for you guys. Pocket closets on both sides, storage up on the top, and then of course underneath the bed, even more storage. Man, what more could you want? 2 beds, huge fridge, sliding doors, 2 entrance doors. What more can you ask for? So guys, this does have the legendary Blade AC system, so we can control the amount of air that's coming out of these individual vents just by turning them to increase or decrease that airflow to get to that perfect temperature just how you like it. But guys, I am a big fan of this. We just got this thing. I know I say that in every video. That's because I film them as soon as we get this, just for you guys out there. Gotta show love to all my subscribers. If you've made it this far and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit the button. Drop me a comment down below. Always love to hear from my viewers out there. And if you could see yourself in this Aspen Trail 3600 QBDS, then let me know. Let me know, because this thing is going to go fast. And if you guys truly do see yourself in this, call me. I'm going to have my phone number, my email address, my Facebook page, my inventory website, as well as a link to Dutchman's website so you can learn more about this Aspen Trail and all of the other cool floor plans that I have too. But guys, just like that, I'm going to get out of here and go film another video for you guys. So, hope y'all are doing well. I'll catch you on the next one. See you later.